It is good to find your direction in life. Dimgba was a very strong man, filled with the potential to be great. But he was not doing well. He went to meet a wise man for counseling. The wise man told him that he had potential but lacked direction. He told Dimgba that he needed to meditate more in order to gain a better knowledge of his strengths and weaknesses. Then, he will easily find where to apply his strengths, hence, finding direction. Dimgba did as he was told and became a successful wrestler. His potential found good direction. We may call Dimgba a victor, but mathematicians will refer to Dimgba as a vector. In this lesson, we will be discussing about vectors and what they are. A vector is a physical quantity that has a magnitude as well as direction, just like Dimgba. In your biology class, you may meet vectors as disease vectors, which are organisms that carry and transmit infectious pathogens into a host. Vectors in maths and physics are different from these, as vectors are really important in physical analysis. Do you know that flying to a favorite holiday spot can be represented as a vector? Hang on, and you'll find out soon. We cannot talk about vectors without talking about scalars. Scalars are also physical quantities that have magnitude but do not have any direction. This is the major difference between scalars and vectors. Let's take a distance of 5 meters. Now, this is scalar because it has a magnitude, but it has no direction. We can also say that a boy walked a distance of 5 meters from his desk to the door. Now, this motion can be described as a displacement because it has a direction. Displacement is a vector quantity. Also, speed is a scalar quantity, while velocity is a vector quantity. This table shows some scalar and vector quantities. You can go ahead to find more vector quantities. When you traveled to your favorite holiday spot, you had a certain displacement in a given direction. Can you now see how vectors can be used to describe your vacation? In summary, we have seen that vectors are physical quantities with magnitude and direction. Also, a scalar is a physical quantity that has only magnitude but no direction. Dimgba chose to be a vector and not a scalar. Which will you choose to be, a vector or a scalar?